This is a tutorial on how to contribute to TerraFirmaGreg modpack. However, a lot of sets can be used to contribute to other modpacks as well. As prerequisites, you will need to have a GitHub account, Prism Launcher installed, VS Code or VS Codium installed, and Git. You can learn about in their webpage, or just search for Git install. First, you should go to TFG Modpack's GitHub page. Click Fork and create fork. Next, you should open any folder you want, copy the link to it, open your terminal, and cd into that folder. Next, type in git clone, go back to your fork, click code, and then copy the link. Paste it in the terminal. Now let it finish. Once it is finished, you can close the terminal. Keep this folder open and open Prism Launcher. Create a new instance. Select 1.20.1, forage, and the recommended option. Click OK. Then open the folder, open Minecraft. And now you should learn about symlinks depending on your operating system. I'm using Linux, so technically I can get away with symlinking everything. However, if you're using Windows, you should only symlink cube.js. On Linux, you can create new, link to file or directory, copy the URL to cube.js folder, type in cube.js here, and click OK. Next, you should just simply copy over the other files. As next step, you should copy the Minecraft folders link, go back to your terminal, cd into that folder, and type in java-jar pakku.jar fetch. Click enter and let it finish. Once it finishes, you can close the terminal, open the mods folder, find TerraFirmaGreg-jar file, and delete it. Next, go into TFG core GitHub page, go to the Actions tab, select the latest project build, go all the way down, and click download. Open the zip file, and then simply upload it to the mods folder. Next, you should try open the settings of your instance. If you're using Linux, don't forget to go to Tweaks, Native Libraries, and use System Installation of OpenAL. For Java, you can use any version from 17 to 25. I personally use 25. And if you use version 25, you can also use these Java arguments. For memory, you should always remember that Java uses 1.5 times more than you actually type in here. Now try launching and creating a world to see if it works. If you successfully join a world, then you can close the game. Next, you should go into VS Code or VS Codium. Check if you're logged into GitHub. If the GitHub is not functioning, check your extensions and update GitHub pull requests. Next, open folder. Select the folder where you place the modpack. Click OK. And then just make your changes. Also, do not forget to create a new branch for every feature you make. Click Dev, create new branch. For features, use feature. For bug fixes, use bug fix. I will use feature treated recipe. Once you make your changes, don't forget to test them. I already tested them, so I will not launch the game again. Then go into your source control, select the changes you made. If you symlink configs folder, don't forget to not stage other changes because Minecraft sometimes likes to change the configs. Then name your commit and do commit and push. Select origin. Next, you can go back to your fork, compare and pull request. Name it. Try to be descriptive. For example, I made this. And click create pull request. That is all.